Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. In today's video, we are making some loaves of bread, and I've got here 4 cups of all-purpose flour. And to the flour, I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I'm using milk flavor. I'm just adding here 2 tablespoons of milk flavor, and then 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. I will also be adding a tablespoon of instant active yeast, and then I'll mix everything together before adding salt. I will now add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. You can check that out. Mix very well, and then we add the wet ingredients. I'm going to be using 2 medium-sized eggs. If your egg is large, you can use 1. The egg is also optional. I'm going to be using my hand because we're going to need it. I'm adding here 1/3 cup of margarine. You can also use butter, melted butter or melted margarine. I will then sprinkle some flour on my work surface and start kneading. I will knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes until it is no longer sticky, and I'm sure it is well kneaded. The dough is well kneaded now. It is now time to leave it to rise. I'll sprinkle some oil in my mixing bowl, put it into the bowl, cover it with some towel or cling film, and allow it to rest for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. After 1 hour, it has doubled in size. You just press it down, bring it out again into our work surface, and mold it into the shape we want. At this point, you can mold it to any shape you want, but I'm using our standard shapes, bread shapes. Folding them, I'll then add them into my greased loaf pan. I just oil the loaf pan with some oil. You can do that with oil or with butter or margarine. And then I'm molding this one into a bigger loaf or shape. And then I'll cover them again with my cling film and allow them to rest for about 15 minutes for second rising. I left them for 25 minutes and this is what we have. It is ready for baking. But before I put them in the oven, we're going to egg wash it. I have here 1 egg. I'm going to use brush and then rub it on the body to give us that golden color. After that, we'll now put it in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes. Here we have our milk loaves of bread. Aren't they looking so nice? I'm using butter on it. I'm rubbing in butter to soften the skin, but if you don't want it soft, if you want that crust, don't bother putting butter on them. I baked this bread for 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and they came out so lovely. Look at that. Yay. I enjoyed making this bread and I enjoyed eating it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. I thank you all. May God bless you. And if you have any question, I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Please share the video. Please. Thank you. Bye.